everyone. Today, I know I look terrible. My hair is a mess and everything's a mess. I hit myself with the ring light. I'll tell you that in a little bit. But I look like a mess because I'm sick. I have an ear infection, sinuses. I am glad I don't have the flu. 3 hours ago, I was adjusting my ring light, and the ring light fell and hit me right here, and I was so upset because I hate hurting my face, because I'm like, now I'm gonna have a scar on my face. I'm gonna look terrible because I love to do makeup on my face. In the days that I don't wear makeup, I don't want my face looking all terrible. It's gonna be the BOXYCHARM video. I am so happy. BOXYCHARM, like BOXYCHARM. I follow BOXYCHARM on Instagram, and they kept posting the beautiful palette, and I was like, oh my god, you need to get here ASAP because it looks so pretty. All right, so let's go ahead and open it. This one is called BOXYCHARM. I see what they did. Oh my god, this is like so like summery theme. Oh my god, I am so ready for summer. Like, these colors are so pretty. Alright, let's start off with the eyeshadow palette, since that's the first one that's listed. The eyeshadow palette is worth $36. It's BOXYCHARM and Pure collaboration. Ooh, the packaging is pretty. It has like little hearts. Why they always have to baby proof this? Like, I call this baby proof because I can't get it. OMG. So much prettier. Look at all this. It's beautiful. I think I'm gonna love this. This is gonna be my favorite one of all because I love the other Pure palette that I have. Alright, next let's do double decker lashes mascara. It's $20. So this is the packaging. Alright, this looks pretty. This is the way it looks. So I'm gonna try this on in a little bit. Let me just go through everything we have. Alright, next is the under eye gels. So how many do we get? It's a 3-eye gel pack. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. Alright, I really need this because alright, let's see. These are $10, by the way. Thoroughly cleans eye area. Apply this product under the eye. Leave on for 30 minutes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. Use promptly after opening for best results. Use for 3 days. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply this. It says leave on for 30 minutes, which is a long time. I just spilled all the water on me. It's okay. I'll change after this. After this, I have to go to work. So I was going to change anyways. My parents make me work even though I am sick. Alright. How does this go? This way? Or is it this way? I think it's this way. It feels so soothing. But it feels weird because I'm not used to this. I hope I'm putting it right. What? They feel like those lippies they gave us last time for the BOXYCHARM. Was it BOXYCHARM? Yeah, it was BOXYCHARM. Alright, next we're gonna do the Smoky Eye Makeup Brush Set. It's for $23.15. 23 with 15 cents. Alright. So this is a cute pack. These beautiful brushes, they also have the steps. So step 1 for the money. Oh, that is so cute. See that? Let me go ahead and take the packaging out. Alright. Step 2 for the shadow. Step 3, go girl, go. Oh my god. They feel so soft and pretty. I think these are gonna be my favorite brushes next. Alright. The last one is the Make Them Blush for $26. Which is this beautiful color. I'm just gonna swatch this because I don't have any makeup on. I shouldn't. Oh my god, this is very pigmented. Didn't mean to pick up so much. The packaging is so beautiful. I'm glad that's not heavy. Oh my god, it's beautiful. Look at this. It's so brushes, and I'm going to use the brushes they sent. Alright, so for all over the lid, I'm going to use Perfect. The names of these are just amazing. I love how they put the names on the front because I hate going back and looking at the names in the back. Alright, so I'm just gonna. Oh my god, they smell good. It's crazy. I have never got eyeshadow palettes that smell good. Like, they don't ever put a scent to it. Or is it just me? I don't know. I'm sick, so I might not know what I'm talking about. When I eat, I cannot taste my food, and that makes me so mad because I freaking love food. So why wouldn't I want food to taste amazing? Like, food tastes plain now. Okay, that color doesn't show up on my skin, but at least I tried to do something. Alright, because I don't want to go grab another palette, so because I want to just try this one. Alright. Ooh, these colors are just so beautiful. Ooh. I think I'm going to try to do something crazy today because I feel like I always do normal things, so I should get adventurous. I guess I'm going to use this BFF color. So I'm going to start at the inner, why do I always say inner? I'm going to start at the outer point, just light strokes, and then bring it in. I think I'm going to build this color up more. Wait, why did I do this? Okay, let me go back, and I'm gonna grab Naked because I completely forgot that I have to do the translucent powder. I don't know what I'm thinking. Alright, whatever, just ignore that I did that. Alright, so this one. Now I'm gonna go in Bella. I don't know if it's gonna make any difference, but okay, I'm going to do the same to the other eye. Okay, my bruise is burning a little. I guess it's because of the gel thing. It is fresh. I just hit myself like 3 hours ago, so of course it's gonna be still a little sore. I think these colors are really pretty. I think this palette is going to be like my go-to next. Like, y'all are going to see me using this palette. I'm probably going to need to use my finger for this or add some setting spray so the color can pop up. I'm going to go grab my setting spray, set, go, and I'm just going to spray my brush. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my finger because I don't think that helped much. I really love this palette. It's amazing. All these colors are beautiful, and I have so many ideas and looks that I could create with it. So far these brushes are amazing, and I love the way they look. The brushes are soft. They're amazing. I love them. Alright, so last thing is the mascara. Well, I love it or not. I don't really like using mascara like that. I like to go all natural, but let's see how they are. When I do apply mascara, I like to apply a little bit. I don't like to apply a lot. I like the way this mascara is applying. This mascara is applying my eyelashes like separately. They're not making them all like together. How like some they just put all your eyelashes all together and they look all clumpy and ugly. This one is looking beautiful. Okay, I think this is like my next favorite eyeshadow, and this this mascara, and this mascara is very, very big. Like, look at that, it's huge. For this box, I completely love everything. I love the mascara, the brushes, the eyeshadow, the blush, and these eye mask what are they called? These eye mask gels. They feel so soothing and soft, and I completely love them. I love that they don't just slip down. I mean, they were slipping down a little bit, but they don't fall off, and they're not that gooey how other ones are. So this box was a completely win, and again, it's only 150. The worth of it is $115, and you only spend $21 monthly, and it's amazing. You can cancel anytime, skip a box anytime. I completely love this BOXYCHARM. I hope y'all enjoyed my video, and if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye everyone.